The ArcMate 100IC Intelligent Arc Welding Robot offers improved productivity, increased throughput, excellent cable management, and increased reliability. The slim wrist shape reduces arm-to-arm interference, increasing arc density and improving throughput. More arcs per part reduces tooling costs. The through-cable welding improves the reliability of the welding package, increases the ability to access tight welds, and allows more arms to work closer together, increasing arc density. The R30IA multi-robot controller allows up to 4 robots to work concurrently in one Teach Pendant program, simplifying the teaching and ease of use. ArcLink XT, the industry's only arc welding network, improves welder communication speed, offering increased throughput, enhanced dynamics, and multi-equipment control through one robot Teach Pendant. Automatic interference avoidance prohibits robots from entering the same workspace. It offers automatic control, allowing the ArcMate to continue welding while the handling robot waits for the weld process to complete.